Hi, I'm Caroline from Spectrum. In this video, we'll be unpacking and setting up the Spectrum Aurora Crystal Luxe side lights. In this kit, you'll find two of everything, which includes carry bags, light stands, power adapter and cables, Crystal Luxe lights, batteries, battery chargers, and light brackets. To connect the Crystal Luxe light to the stand, first mount the light bracket to the stand itself by screwing it in, and then make sure that you're holding the light the right way up before screwing it onto the light bracket. The light bracket allows you to reposition the light at various angles. There are two ways to power the Spectrum Crystal Luxe lights. The first is using the adapter. The second way is to use the rechargeable battery pack for portable use. To operate the Crystal Luxe light, the top button is the power button. The middle button toggles for two different functions. The first function is the intensity, which you can scroll up or down. You can also continuously press the button for faster scrolling. The second button is the light colour, which ranges from soft white to soft orange. The Crystal Luxe lights are paired perfectly in a 3-point lighting kit with any Spectrum Aurora ring light. In this video, we'll be to connect the Crystal Luxe, I'll go again.